1963. If the East African community had not collapsed then, we would have a different region by now. But it is said it is never too late to do the right thing. Therefore, I think we are on time. I think it put it in context, since you had said that you are a backbencher Christian and I am at the front. It is the case. I'm reminded that the children of Israel took 40 years for a journey that would have taken them maybe a year or two. So we may have taken 60 years, but I think we are now going to get it done shortly and to consolidate the EAC into what we all want it to be. So thank you very much, and thank you very much, everybody, for participating. Asante sana mzee.
That brings us to the close of this session.